Hey YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff, and this is the on-foot look at the Jordan 4 Levi's collab. Shall we go and look at it? I can't throw this the right way around. Hey YouTube, I'm back. So I hope you enjoyed that little on-foot look. I tried to do something interesting by dropping it in frame. It didn't work. That was the Jordan 4 Levi's collaboration, the black colorway. This is actually my first Jordan 4 and I'm really digging this colorway. It kind of feels and reminds me like my early skate shoes from, I hate to say this, back in the 80s. Good, solid, chunky. And I always wore black sneakers back then. I've had a few questions about this shoe already. Am I gonna distress it? I think the simple answer is no, I'm not gonna distress it. I think that this will naturally distress on its own, worn. Having already worn it already, I'm starting to see areas where it's starting to just, not rub up, but just, I can see where it will distress, and that will be very clearly around here, here. Toe box will definitely crease up like a good one, and on the back there. So what do we think, people? Is this a super nice shoe? I am really, really inspired. I want, like, look at, just look, just behold, marvel, feast your eyes. Is that not a stunning profile? It is absolutely amazing. Looks banging on foot. It's gonna be a great shoe for the autumn, fall, if you're in other parts of the world, fall, just like that. If you're new to this channel, and you've made it this far in the video, why don't you subscribe? It's just down there. And for all our regular subscribers, thank you so much. If you don't know, we upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, or we try to. And of course we stream on Sundays. That's at 8 PM UK time. That would be 12 PM on the Pacific coast. And if you happen to be on the East Coast, that's 3 PM. Sorry for all our Australian viewers. I haven't quite worked that out, but I think it's the middle of the night for you. Sorry. So that's all from me today. And all I can say is, I'll see you later, people. Whoa. And I'm out of here.